Welcome to Beautyistic, where we celebrate beauty in all its forms. And yes, that includes tackling those little things that can make a big difference in your confidence. Today, we're exploring a product designed to simplify a routine many of us face: facial hair removal. The Veet 3-minute facial hair removal cream for women promises pain-free hair removal with a soothing touch, featuring organic aloe vera and a light raspberry and violet fragrance. The kit comes with two 1.7-ounce creams, one for hair removal and a finishing cream to moisturize and leave your skin smooth. It's designed for the upper lip, chin, and cheeks, offering a gentle alternative to traditional methods like waxing or shaving, aiming to remove hair in just 3 minutes. In my experience, incorporating this into my beauty routine was straightforward. The cream has a light, creamy texture that spreads easily over the target area. The scent is subtle and pleasant, which makes the experience more comfortable than some other depilatory creams. I left the cream on for the recommended 3 minutes, then used the included spatula to gently remove it. The hair came off effectively, and my skin felt surprisingly soft afterward. Applying the finishing cream really helped lock in moisture, leaving no sticky or greasy residue. One of the main strengths of this product is its efficiency. It really does work quickly, which is perfect for those rushed mornings. It's also gentle on sensitive facial skin, thanks to the aloe vera, which helps reduce irritation and redness. On the downside, as with any chemical hair remover, it's crucial to do a patch test first to avoid adverse reactions. Some may find that extremely coarse hair requires slightly longer contact time, though exceeding the recommended duration can irritate the skin. When it comes to value, the Veet kit is reasonably priced for the convenience and effectiveness it offers. The included finishing cream adds a nice touch, giving the skin a hydrated, smooth finish. Compared to similar facial depilatory products, Veet stands out for its quick action and the inclusion of post-treatment care in the kit. Alternatives exist at lower prices, but they may not include a finishing cream or act as fast, which can make this kit worth the slight premium for convenience and comfort. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, with sturdy tubes that are easy to handle. Shelf life and product stability appear standard for this type of formulation, and Veet has a solid reputation for customer support, although I didn't have to interact with them directly during this review. So, is it worth it? For anyone looking for a fast, gentle, and effective way to remove unwanted facial hair without pain or razor burns, this kit delivers. It's especially suited for sensitive areas like the upper lip and chin, and the added finishing cream makes the skin feel cared for, not just hair-free. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Veet 3-minute facial hair removal cream, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase the kit is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.